Okay, now this one, the 35, I erased this from the packet because you can't do C yet. But actually you can do A and B, so you should do it, okay? Because this is a little harder. Okay, so let's draw these 3 lines. So those of you who are not sure how to draw the graph, this is a good example to watch. Okay, so this is page 11, by the way, page 11. Okay, so the first line is -2, right? And then the slope is 1/2. That means x go 2 and y go up 1. Okay, 2 and 1, 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 negative side, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so this one is y equal 1/2 x minus 2. Okay, and then let's do this one. So plus 3, that's where you start, and then slope is -2. So when you go 1, it go -2. X goes 1, -2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's more like this. Okay, so this one is y equal to -2x plus 3. And then last but not least, plus 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. And the 3x, and then going up, so 1, and then up 3. Okay, so that means if you -1, then down 1. 1, -1, -3, -1, -3, -1, -3. Okay, so this looks like it's actually intersecting at the whole number because it looks like it's going to go through this. But if I were to give this problem, I'm not going to necessarily give you the whole number. So you have to solve for the system to get these interactions. So this line was the last one, y equals 3x plus 8. Okay, so you have to find the coordinate of 3 points where a line intersects. Okay, to get this looks like 90 degrees to me. To get the area of this, you need to be able to get the distance of this and distance of this, which you haven't learned. That's 13-1, and that's why you cannot do C. Okay, but you can do B. Okay, so let's do so this point is the intersection of these 2 lines, right? So the system is y equal to -2x plus 3 and y equals 3x plus 8. That's the system for this point. This point is these 2 lines, right? This line and this line. So this system is y equal 1/2 x minus 2 and y equal -2x plus 3, right? And then this is this line and this line, right? This point. So y equals 3x plus 8 and y equal 1/2 x minus 2. Okay, those are the systems you have to solve to get these. Okay, so I'm sure you can do it, but let's just do it anyway. So these are y, both are y, so you can set them equal. Okay, so -2x plus 3 have to equal 3x plus 8. Okay, so you're going to move this over here, and then this becomes negative. So it's -5x, and you're going to subtract 8 from 3 because this has become negative. You have to subtract 3, so this is going to be 5. So x is -1. Okay, and you're going to plug back into one of these equations to get y. And so I'm going to try on this, or you can do this one. So -1 times -2 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So y equals 5. So this point right here, no, I'm sorry, this point right here is -1 and 5, which makes sense because this is -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's do this one. Same thing. 1/2 x minus 2 have to equal -2x plus 3, right? So you have to add 2x to both sides to get rid of this on the other side. So this is 2/4, so that's 5/2x, and then you're gonna add 2 to both sides, so this is 5, right? So then x is 5 times 2/5, and this cancels, and then it's 2. X is 2, and you want to back into 1/2 times 2 is 1, right? Minus 2 will make you -1, so y equal -1. So this one is 2 and minus 1. All right, and then let's do the last point. So 3x plus 8 have to equal 1/2 x minus 2. Okay, so subtract 1/2 x from this, and then this is 2 over 6. So 5 over 6x. I'm sorry, no, 2. 5 over 2. 2 over 6. No, I'm sorry, 6 over 2. This is 6 over 2, and then 1/2, and then you subtract, and you get the 5 over 2. 5 over 2x, and then you have to subtract 8 from both sides. So you get minus 10. Okay, so then x is minus 10 times 5 over 2. This cancels, and this becomes 2, so it's negative 4. Okay, so x is negative 4, and then where you want to plug into? Here. So half of 4 is 2, minus 2, and this is negative, right? Was it negative? Yeah, negative 4. X equal negative 4. So this is going to be negative 2, minus 2, minus 4. So this is minus 4 and minus 4. These are the 3 points of these 3 lines.